Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this video, we're going to be doing a short review and tutorial of the Hey.io platform. That is HEI.io. To get to the Hey.io platform, simply go to your browser and type in Hey.io in the search bar, and it should bring you to a screen just like this one. Let's do a quick tour of the platform and see the features and the things that this platform can do for you. All right, so as you can see on your screen, it says translate your videos with ease. This platform helps you to translate your videos using several languages, captions, subtitles. You can even translate voiceovers and do a lot with your video. So let's read what it says. It says AI voiceovers, video or audio dubbing in 70 plus languages with 250 plus voices. You can easily add captions, translated subtitles, translate voiceovers, and more. All right, so we can scroll down to see more about the platform. It has 90% accurate translating, realistic AI voiceover. You can create translated content in minutes. Okay, so this is the process. It's a three-step process. Upload your video from your computer or share your video link. Click to run, and then it begins to process your video. And then you get auto-generated captions, translations, and voiceovers in a matter of minutes. And then you can download, edit, and export once it is done. All right, so let's see more. Okay, so it says you can tell your story to larger audience. You can fully customize captions and translated subtitles. You can design your own AI voiceover. And these are the reviews from the people who have made use of this platform already. So you can simply scroll down to read some of their reviews. Let's quickly look at the pricing before we see how the platform works. So if you tap on pricing, we will see that they have three price tiers. The first one is pay as you go, which is for individual work production as you need, and it starts at $7.5 per hour, right? And then the second one is a subscription, and it starts at $4.08 per hour per month, right? And it is good for consistent production, okay? And then the third is the enterprise plan, and you need to contact sales for this particular plan, all right? And then this is a quick comparison on the different tiers and the features that they offer. For a link to the website and discounts available, please see the description of this video below. Okay, so let's see how to use this platform to create amazing videos. So we simply tap on Get Started Now. Okay, and then you can enter your email and start. All right, so we're going to do that very quick. Let's go back to the home platform so that we can start from there. All right, so we're going to start a free trial first so that we can see how this platform works before we decide if we're going to upgrade our plan or not. So just quickly tap on Start Free Trial now. And then you can continue with your email address or simply continue with your Google account. I'm going to continue with my Google account. Okay, so we're signed in using Google, and you are going to see a special offer for you when you're logging in for the first time. So it says double your video production with bonus hours. You can decide to take that offer or not, but we want to start with the free trial just to get a feel of how it works. Now, if you look at the left-hand side, the menu at the left-hand side, you're going to see video voiceover, video subtitle, and video transcription, which are the things that you can do with this platform. So we're going to start with video voiceover. All right, so for the free trial, you have free 1 minute and unlimited project. Let's quickly do a new voiceover to see how that works. So you're going to upload a video, right? Either from your device, okay, or you paste a YouTube link here. So if you select my device, of course, you're going to click to upload. But if you select YouTube, you're going to paste your YouTube link here, and it's going to install or download that video from YouTube. So we're going to stick with my device. Let me quickly upload a video here so you can see how this works. I'll simply do that by tapping on click to upload. So the video upload is complete. As you can see, it says done. This may take a while. All right, so the next thing you do is to select the original language of your video. So what language is your video in originally? And I'm going to select English. You select, there are several versions of English here. So I'm going to select this. And then select the language and voice for your voiceover. I will select the language. I want it to be in English, maybe English, Hong Kong. All right, I'm going to select English, Hong Kong. And then I'm going to select a voice on my voiceover. So we have Sam and we have Yan. So I'm going to, you can tap on this to hear what they sound like. Let's see. Okay, and then we're going to select, let's go with Yan, okay? And then we're going to tap on submit and it begins to process the video. So you can see generating your video. Your video is in processing. Please wait patiently for the best results. You can leave this page and come back later when your video is ready. So you can go back to your dashboard. So you can see it's 25, about 30% done. It's actually working quite fast. Now the video is ready. Now you can see the subtitle for the videos, or the script rather for the videos. You can play them to hear what they sound like. And then if any of the words are not correct, you can just tap on them and edit and correct them, right? So if anything isn't right, you just tap on it and you'll be able to edit and correct, okay? So, and then you can listen, just tap to listen and hear if it is what you love. If not, you may need to do another one. So after you've done, correcting your script, listening to the voice and everything else, you can now tap on export and export this sound, or rather export this video. Okay, so the voiceover sound, the source sound is at 0, and the voiceover sound, is the sound that you're going to hear on this video. So you can export this after you're done with the video. Okay, so let's go back and try something else. Now, the next thing we're going to do is the video subtitle. You can see the video that we just did here. You can come here and edit, all right? If you didn't complete it at the first try, you can come back here and edit. All right, so let's try video subtitle very quickly. Takes almost the same process. Just tap on new subtitle. Of course, click to upload your video again, select the original language. Okay, let's do that very quickly. Remember that you can also copy and paste a YouTube link, like I said earlier, and then your video will be imported from there. So let's click to upload a video for a subtitle. So once the video is done, you simply go to step 2, which says select the original language of your video, just as we did earlier. So I'm just going to repeat. And then select the target language for translation, which is optional, but you can also choose to do that. So I'm going to select, let's just pick one. Let's say French. Let's say French, and then tap on submit. This is just to tell you that you can do this in multiple languages, okay? So again, it begins to generate your video and you're going to wait for that to be complete. And so this is done, and you can see that it has translated the original language to French. You can see that clearly written here. So if you need to edit again, you just tap on it and you'll be able to edit, all right? And then you can listen to this in French. It has brought out subtitles in French. Wow, right? So it's really exciting what you can do with the hey.io platform. So once you're okay with this, the output, you simply tap on export again and your video will be exported. Now, note again on the left-hand side that you also can import subtitles from outside. So let's go back home and do one more. So we're going to do a video transcription, all right? So we'll tap on this. Again, it follows the same process. Just tap on new transcription, click to upload a video, select the original language of your video, select the target language for translation, and you will be done. Follows the same process as the first two above. So this is how to use the hey.io platform. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I urge you to try out this platform and see how it works for your own business. Again, if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask them in the comment section below. Like this video, share this video with somebody who may need this video, and I'll see you in the next.